Unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Gainesville, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves, usually considered over 100 miles or anything that takes more than a day, requires top-notch help. If you are moving across state lines, you need a moving company registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. You can go to the FMCSA website and check for their license number. 3 Movers is a registered moving company, follows all the FMCSA rules that are designed to protect our consumers, and we offer great value to our customers. Call us for a quote. We will send a representative to your home or business to complete a survey of the items you need to move and use that to create an estimate of the cost for you. Our rep will explain the terms and help you decide what services are best for your situation. If you are moving to the Gainesville area, call 3 Movers for a quote. Our teams are professional and experienced. We will submit an estimate for your move based on our assessment of the amount of time required for the job. We can provide services like packing and help you with tips on how to get ready for the move, like decluttering, disposing of things you no longer need, and best practices for self-packing. We will explain any fees in the estimate like driving time, optional insurance coverages, and help you get ready. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gainesville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.